Did you know the dodo bird went extinct just 174 years after humans discovered it? Native to Mauritius, the flightless bird had no defenses against new predators like cats, dogs, and pigs brought by Dutch colonizers in 1644. Sailors hunted them in large numbers despite the meat being unappetizing. The dodo, named after the Dutch word dodoer, meaning sluggard, vanished by 1681, unable to adapt to human arrival. Its extinction serves as a stark reminder of how fragile ecosystems can be when disrupted by human activity,